I can't see it. There we go. On the way between Pai and Chiang Mai, you can find coffee wheat in the witch's house. So come have a look at these witches. So if you recognise your wife here, just let me know below. Oh, sorry. Look at these witches. What's your name? Look at this. Yeah, I would like to come in here at night time. My husband's back there, look. Husband with 3 witch wives. Right. That's the husband and there's the 3 witches. This one's lying down, half naked. She's been on the drink, she has. Some Samsung, whatever you call it. I think, what do you call that? Look at this, very unusual. Oh, there's more. Look at this. Oh wow, look at these. All over the place. It's just a random cafe. Random cafe on the road. Side of the road. Oh, this one's a bit scary. This is a bit scary, this bit. Who's been lying? My new wife. Oh, there we go. Oh, you enjoyed that witch's cafe. It's on the Chiang Mai 82, Bangkok. Chiang Mai 82 miles, not miles, kilometers. Bangkok 778. This is a 1095 road. There you go. So you've got to call in here if you're on the 1095 road between Chiang Mai and Pai. Right, just a quick video of this one to stop off here. I went to go on the jungle coaster in Chiang Mai. Okay. Right, so I'm in the queue, won't take long. No pregnancy people allowed. So, oh, it's single. Thank you. Do I have to steer it? Yes. I steer it? Yeah. All right. You put it on its own. I'm happy to do this. Ah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
You push forward to go.
Ah, push forward, tell her. Right, so I'm off. Hopefully my GoPro won't drop. Ah! Ah! Oh my God! I don't know what you can see in this camera. I'm strapped in a bit. Beep beep. Said no cameras, but they didn't mind me bringing a camera on, even though I had a sign for no cameras. The jungle coaster. Oh, I shouldn't have it. I shouldn't have it them flipping port scratches before I got on this. Beep beep, beep beep, as Jeff would say. Woo! It stopped. Oh, got up a big steep thing here. On the hand, I think it means keep your hands in. You can camp over there. Wigwams, Jungle Coaster Camp and Resort. Stretch my feet for a bit. Stretch my feet. I better put my feet back up now. Maybe I have to grab hold of the camera. I'm not sure. Oh, we're here. We're here. Hello. Hello.
Hello. ขอบคุณครับ
Come on, Cap. Very good, very good.
Very good. Very good. Okay.
There we go, that's that done. The Jungle Coaster, Chiang Mai. Let's do all them screaming over there. Now what's this? Where am I?
ไม่ได้ซื้อรอบแรกเขากดยาวเลยนี่
There I am.
เดี๋ยวนั่งเดี๋ยวได้ปะ
So you got a Cybertruck. Cybertruck. Elon might have something to say about that. I want to see what the Cybertruck does. Oh, VR. I don't be able to see it, will we? So that was good. Oh, that's it. That's a Jungle Coaster over and done with. Hope you enjoyed that. Bye bye.